An ignition interlock device is a small breath-testing unit wired into your car's ignition. Before the engine starts, you blow into a mouthpiece. If the device detects a breath alcohol concentration above a preset limit, usually 0.02%, the car simply will not start. Many devices also require random retests while you are driving, called rolling retests, to confirm you stay sober throughout the trip. California's DMV keeps an approved list of IID manufacturers and installers. You must use an approved provider, and the device has to be calibrated and inspected at regular service appointments, typically every 60 days. The installer logs every breath sample, every failed test, and every attempt to tamper with the unit. That data is reported directly to the DMV, and when required by a court order, to the court. On a first DUI with no injury under Vehicle Code 23152, an IID is generally not automatic. You have a choice. You can install an IID for roughly 6 months and keep a full, unrestricted license. Or you can skip the IID and accept a restricted license that limits your driving to work and your DUI program. A third path exists if the charge is reduced or dismissed, or if you prevail at your DMV hearing. Results vary case by case, and there is no promised result. Starting with a second DUI conviction, or any DUI involving injury, an IID becomes genuinely mandatory under California law. The required period grows with each offense. A second conviction typically carries about 1 year. A third is around 2 years. A fourth or subsequent conviction can mean 3 years or more. These are court-ordered requirements, not optional choices. You pay for the IID yourself. Installation typically runs a few $100s, and there is a monthly lease and calibration fee on top of that. Low-income drivers may qualify for a reduced fee program through the state. Tampering with the device, having someone else blow into it, or failing to install one when required are all separate violations that can extend your restriction or trigger new charges. Understanding exactly how an IID works and whether it actually applies to your situation can make a real difference in how you handle the road ahead. I'm Joel Brand, a California DUI lawyer. This is general information, not legal advice. If you want a free written case analysis, it is at DUI.guru.